markets ripping higher, but today is about patience and positioning. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Monday, December the 15th. Markets are higher, and after last week's record highs in the Dow and in the Russell, it certainly now appears that we were wrong and that the markets are going to continue to go higher, including the S&P and the NASDAQ, as they appear to be pushing towards their all-time highs as well. Still a little ways to go, but they are higher. And of course, you have the jobs number tomorrow. And this is a triple expiration week, so it is something to be cautious with. And slow volume, light participation indicates that we should be very observant and not get too active or too aggressive to these markets right now, especially with the news coming out tomorrow. So I would advise to be very cautious and careful here while we wait to see the reaction to the markets. The only thing I would look at, if something gets very extended, either overbought or oversold, I would consider trading that under any circumstances. But for now, look, the markets are higher. The Dow, Russell, S&P, and NASDAQ are all much higher this morning. The dollar is lower. It would be looking for a spot to be a buyer here somewhere. The euro currency is higher. We'd be looking for a spot to sell it. Bonds and notes are a little bit higher, but again, interest rates continue to go higher despite the Fed's cut. Bitcoin is pretty much flat, but still consolidating. Gold, silver, and platinum are all charging higher once again, telling you that there's too much debt and too much inflation. Copper is higher and pushing back towards that 550 level, which would probably be a place to look to sell it. Wheat, corn, and soybeans are all pretty much flat, around the flat line. Again, we're kind of just in that time of year where there's just nothing going on and not much to do. In the cattle markets, they did come off that 230 on Friday. But I think that right now it's pretty much time to clean up and be ready. Net gas is lower, as we thought after we said to sell it a couple of weeks ago. And crude oil is also lower. It looks like it's headed down to about 55. Just be careful. Again, you do have the jobs number tomorrow, which is something that could create quite a bit of action one way or the other. And I would be advisable to be more observant and more patient than try to be too aggressive into this market. Don't forget our sponsors, Trader Brokerage, Capital Trading Group, and of course the Joy of Mom and our high school program. And that is for today's Bubba's Daily Update. And again, for the football game tonight, I don't have a real opinion, but we'll like the Miami Dolphins. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you again on Bubba's Daily Update tomorrow.
Joy of Mom is a platform to connect mothers everywhere with trusted information, practical tools, and a vibrant, family-focused community.
Gold IQ Group, the smartest minds in metals, for all of your precious metals needs.
Capital Trading Group, the introducing broker for serious futures traders.
Trade Year. Options trading starting at $10 per month, flat fee.